Hey y'all, well, I was in the middle of doing my unboxing of the Coach Booty right after I did the unboxing of the Christmas, and it went out. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the Coach Booty yet. I will try them on later, or maybe tomorrow morning, I don't know, when it's more convenient, because right now I have on socks and heavy clothing, and as you can see I'm wearing a sweater and heavy pants and everything, so I don't know. We'll try it. Honestly, I wanted a smooth leather. I did not realize it was patent. And I'm thinking, will I ever really wear them? I don't know. So, but I am going to keep going and talk about some other things that are an unboxing. And these are more what are some Christmas gift items. And this one I got from QVC, and I highly, highly recommend this. This is called the Halo Power Cube. It's got, it contains 10,000 mAh battery, which means it has enough capacity to charge all your devices when you need it most. It's got a built-in AC wall plug. It has a built-in car charger. It has LCD readout and a USB power port. And what does this do? It recharges all your USB devices, and it includes both a USB-C and micro cable. And why is this important? Because let's just say you know a storm's coming in, whether it's snowstorm, ice storm, thunderstorm, whatever, and you're thinking, you know, I got to be able to hear about the weather report. I've got to be able to hear about, you know, what's going on. So you need to make sure that your phone, an iPad, or computer, or whatever is powered up. So this can power up a tablet, your camera, and for those of you who are also vloggers or people who are gamers, they like to play with gaming products, phones, tablets, everything. This can power it up. And so, hold on. I also got this as a gift for someone, so I'm not going to say their name, so they don't know which person got it. But I thought this is a very good gift to give someone in the event of, you know, an outage. You need to be able to count on your phone and your iPad and your whatever. So let's just see what this one looks like. So here's all the stuff that comes with it. Whoops, I just dropped one of the things that comes with it, and I feel like you should know. It comes with 2 cables, and I like that it comes with both cables. It comes with a one that can work for what am I trying to say? iPhone and Android, so, and also iPad, and you can hook this up to your computer. So I mean, so you got both cords. They give you both cords. And obviously these little pamphlets that tell you how to do all that, which is pretty common sense. And then, let's just pull this one out. I got one for me, one for someone else, and another one for someone else. Mine was supposed to be pink. And, oh, this is the pink one. Okay, so outside it doesn't say what color. Oh, that's not cool, y'all. Here's mine. So this one's for me to keep. And it's in a blush pink matte finish. This flips out and can be used to plug into your car. So this can sit right in your car in the cigarette lighter. And so that can go in there. Also, as you can see, it has a flip up to go into the wall like that. And it's substantial, y'all. And then on this side it has an LCD reader, so it can tell you to what level it's charged. And then it has the 2 USB ports right here and an on-off switch. Y'all, this is great. This is nice. It gives you, it's not very heavy either to be so big, because obviously to be able to hold more memory, you get bigger and bigger, and sort of like old computers used to be the size of a room, and now they're the size of a microchip. This has gotten smaller with much bigger capacity, and it's not heavy. I could say this could go in a pocket, literally, or definitely in a handbag, and not add a lot of weight. This isn't very heavy. Does it have weight on here? I don't see the weight. Anyway, this is the blush color, and again, it is called the Halo Power Cube. So that's that. I'll put all my little contraptions in there. That one's for me, and I have someone coming for 2 other people. Alright, another Christmas gift. Okay, this isn't a Christmas gift. This is just, I'm out. I went to Bath and Body Works. So this will be labeled Bath and Body Works and Other Christmas Ideas. White Barnes Champagne Toast soap, I love. The thing is, I put this in a really nice brass and crystal soap dispenser. So instead of using the foaming one, I get this one, which is the Gentle Hand soap, and it has the essential oils, and it smells wonderful. And I could just sit this out, or I could pour this in as a refill, and that's what I plan to do. Okay, what are some other items I got? You know, I just thought this was cute. It's just a little reindeer from my woodland tree. Isn't he the cutest? Is that the cutest little guy? He was $8.95, and that's just a cute little ornament. I don't know if you can see his little face. His little antlers. He's got a little green Christmas sweater with a fur coat collar, fur collar. I just think it's cute. And he's also got little socks on. It just looks very woodland to me, and I have a woodland Christmas tree. So that's why I got that. Also, I got this. This is a little Santa hat. And one of the cute things that you can do is when you're not using your soap, put this on top. So that when you're having maybe a Christmas party or your family over, have this on top. And in order for them to use the soap, they take that off. I think that is so cute, y'all. But you could use this for so many other things like that. Maybe put on a perfume bottle, something like that. So I just thought that was cute. And by the way, the little hat was $2. Probably cost me 50 cents to make. But anyway. Alright, then other little cute items. I got this. This is just a little magnet for the top of a candle. But what I loved about this, this is made in a way it could just sit flat. And I like little items like this. This is a Santa with a little reindeer. And I like items like this in order to sit like next to the sink in either the kitchen or really better a nice guest bedroom or your master guest bedroom. Just a little something, not overcomplicated, not taking up a lot of room, but something kind of Christmassy that's just fun, and that's why I actually got it. But what you can do with it is put it on top of a candle, and of course the top of these candle lids. This is a White Barn, the perfect Christmas candle, and it's metallic, so it can sit on there, and that looks very, very cute to kind of just sit there like that for when it's not being used. By the way, this is the scent of fresh cut pine, cinnamon, sugar, toasted marshmallow with essential oils. And this is again called the Perfect Christmas. And when I smelled it, I love it. I have to be careful with Christmas, any kind of candle scents, because the 3 wicks, and this is a 3 wick, can be a little too strong for Lancey's lungs. So I don't do this when he's around anymore. But he's more important than my love for candles and fragrances. So don't mind when he goes hunting or goes to the property or if he's working, and I know that I have like a half day, and then about halfway through, because you need to let it burn long enough to where the wax burns all the way out to the edges if you want to burn correctly, but not any longer than that because you don't want to present a fire hazard. So I love that, and I just make sure that I've got it out well in advance so that it can dissipate in the room before he gets home. Okay, the rest of these, I think that's it for stuffs. Okay, the rest of these, first of all, I did get a couple of hand sanitizers because I have to tell you, these have been great to keep in my purse and in the little pocket thingy in my door, you know, right where the window buttons are. Just so that when I receive food or when I'm out or whatever, I have several of these handy, and they are 71% alcohol, and that's what you need. 70 or above is what you need to make sure that your hands are sanitized until you can get home and wash them. Of course, the best thing is to wash your hands constantly. Anyway, they say every 30 minutes, but until you can get home, you need to use a hand sanitizer when you've been somewhere in public and touch things. Personally, I feel that's more important than a mask. I won't go there. Okay, so anyway, sanitize your hands so you get home, and then as soon as you walk in the door, and this is for any time, not just during a pandemic, anytime you come home, the first thing you should do is wash your hands. You've been out, you have touched things that other people have touched, and there could definitely be viruses present. So the 3 fragrances that I got were Champagne Toast, which is one of my all-time favorites now. Warm Vanilla Sugar. You could give this to a guy. For one thing, it's got a black lid, looks kind of like a guy. And also, this is not girly at all. And then Japanese Cherry Blossom, which this is just a great fragrance for year-round. I love that fragrance. Okay. And then I also love to have different fragrances. This one is an antibacterial hand spray, and I'm going to tell someone about how to use this. It's nice to keep in your purse or your car. You do have to be careful about leaving hand sanitizer in the car, because if it gets too hot, it actually is explosive or could start a fire. So you do have to be careful about that. So really, you should keep these in your purse, that kind of thing. But I know someone who loves lemon. And then here also, the next thing is air fragrances for when people come over for parties. Now, granted, we're not having a lot of parties, but if you do have family over and you social distance after you eat, and that's what we do. When the family comes, we make sure that different rooms are used so that people are social distance, because we do need to be careful, especially with Lance that's to go into treatment for prostate cancer. So we have a family room, we have a dining room, we have a bistro, we have a living room, and that's kind of how we split up to make sure nobody's closer than 6 feet. But when people go to the bathroom, they know to wash their hands, sanitize, and if they need to, have a little bit of fragrance to spray if they've really enjoyed their lunch and their body's talking to them. Always have a couple of fragrances in the bathroom set out, and this one's called White Barn's Holiday, and I really do like this one. It's got the little buffalo check pattern on it, so I love that. And then the other one that I absolutely love because it's pink, snowflakes on burgundy with white snowflakes, and it's called, this is the Bath and Body Works version, and this is called 'Tis the Season. And then also this one is Frozen Lake by White Barn. And then this one is Spiced Gingerbread, and I don't even remember picking that up. I think that was an error. And that's it. No, I do have one more. Sorry. Twisted Peppermint. So anyway, I love having these in the restroom for guest baths, and honestly, in our own. It's also a great little stocking stuffer.